window, please? Hello, how are you? Good, good. Can you put your seatbelt on for me, please? Is it locked? You need some help? You got it? You got it? Okay, go ahead and put it on, yeah. Click it on. Do you need to move the paper towels?
It's packed.
It's packed?
Yeah,
okay.
Packed it.
Maybe put the paper towels on your lap so you can buckle your seatbelt in. Can you do that? Yeah, these ones, move these ones. Can you do that? Go ahead and pull off a little more this way. Oh, I see. It's one big pack. Okay. Are you able to lift it up right here to sit on it? Close this door, okay? Good to go? Yeah? Awesome. Cool. You can just put this under your arm, okay? Put your arm. Yeah, there you go. I know it's kind of awkward. Yeah, just tight space. Jack there too. Just in case, you never know, right? Alright. Oh yeah. Well, I'm Officer Lee with State Police, okay? I stopped you because of your headlamp. What's going on with your headlamp? Oh, this keeps running out? Okay. Do you have your license, insurance, and registration? Insurance is good. Registration. Your registration is good to go. Expires in a few days. Might want to get that checked out, okay? And then your driver's license. What's your birthday? Okay, that'll work. Cool. Orlinda, you're gonna receive some citations today, okay? Not for the headlamp, but for the seatbelts, okay? You're gonna receive 3 of them, all right?